Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to post a TikTok video from your drafts. So let's start. First, open the TikTok app. Now let's create a draft. Tap on the plus icon on bottom of the screen. And I'll just randomly take a footage. Tap on the tick icon and here you'll see a preview. Now tap next on bottom right corner. And instead of tapping on post, tap on drafts. And the video is now saved to your draft. Now go to your profile from bottom right corner and here you will see your drafts. Tap on that. Now select the draft you want to post and tap post. And that's how you post a draft on TikTok. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.